Hey guys, let's see how to view a Tapo camera on VLC. I have here the Tapo C100, but it works with any Tapo camera. As long as you have your camera, your computer, could be a Mac or a PC, it doesn't matter, as long as you have VLC it's going to work. And a cell phone, so you can set up the camera. It's pretty easy. Let me just show you here. So basically here is my cell phone. I just log into the Tapo camera. Here I have the Tapo camera already working, right? Just show you here, that's the main screen. There we go. Then when I go here to settings, I look for advanced settings, and here you can create a camera account, right? And also it's important to check the IP address of the camera. So here on network settings, I have the IP address of the camera. In this case, it's a static IP, so it doesn't change. So just take note of your IP address as well. And it doesn't matter, I can show this IP here on the internet because it's an internal IP. There's no problem with like somebody getting to my camera or something like this, because it's just an internal IP here, right? So when I come back on camera account, you just need to enable, and on account information, you create your username and password. I already have mine here, right? And then I just need to use this information on VLC. My account is already created. The password is not showing up here because when I entered the first time, the camera has the information and it's there already. So basically here I have Tapo admin and I have the password, right? Then you're good to go with your camera. So as long as it's working here, it's okay, okay? Now it's time for VLC. Let me just close the app here and go there on VLC. So here in my computer, I go to VLC. I'm just open here. And then you come to File, Open Network. And here you're gonna type RTSP colon // the IP of the camera. In my case here, just typing the IP that I checked there, / again, and then stream 1 or stream 2. You have two streamings of this camera, so I'm just gonna use one of them. And you hit here open and wait for it to ask for the username and password, right? So it takes a while, like sometimes 10 to 20 seconds, and a window pops up asking for the password. If it doesn't happen, something's wrong here. Let me just double check. All right, clean up here. What I'm doing wrong here is that I'm using the wrong network, right? Let me just change the network here. There we go. Because I have two routers here, I need to have the computer and the camera in the same network, basically the same router. Let me just close here and try again. There we go, right? Let me just enter the username here that I have there, Tapo admin. And I have here the password. Then I hit OK. And it brings up the camera. See? It's basically working. A little bit of latency here, but that's normal. And it works pretty fine, okay? So just be aware that you need to have the camera and the PC or the Mac in the same network, as you see here. I was using different networks, so it was not working before, but as long as I have both on the same network, it's going to work, right? Okay. And also, don't forget, you cannot use the SD card. If you are recording the SD card and trying to use RTSP at the same time, it doesn't work for some reason, right? There's information here on the camera itself, on the app, right? And it doesn't work that way. But if you just follow this video the same way I did here, you're gonna have your Tapo camera working with the VLC player, right? So leave your comments here. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up and your comments, and I see you in the next one.